In Malaysia, personal safety incidents are rising, over 900 missing person cases annually, with over 400 in the first half of 2024 alone. This data comes from public police records and reflects not just disappearances, but also assaults and other emergencies where victims can call for help in time. Not just that, families often wait 24 hours to report someone missing, delaying rescue, and by then valuable time has been lost, so it caused delayed and inadequate emergency response. Emergency responders tell us that early location data often pinpoints where to begin a search. Without it, they are essentially starting blind. Not just that, the current safety apps demand too many taps, so gaps in existing solutions are huge. Navigate through menus, confirm dialogues, which is an impossible hurdle in panic. Users under stress can fumble with settings, and most apps only send a one-time SMS or email, no live tracking or confirmation of delivery. These issues made it clear we needed an app that activates instantly, shares live location, and cuts out any unnecessary steps. Introducing to you SafeGuard, your personal safety and emergency response app. SafeGuard is a personal safety app that lets you summon help instantly. With a simple shake or tap, your live location and alert messages are sent to your chosen emergency contacts. No unlock, no menu, just a physical gesture or widget tap you can train yourself to use in an emergency. It is a Flutter-based mobile app backed by Firebase that lets users send an SOS alert and share live GPS location with trusted contacts at the press of a button or a simple shake. SafeGuard was developed to achieve these objectives. First is to develop a mobile application that enables users to quickly initiate an emergency alert in critical situation, so it focuses on minimizing taps and centralizing activation. Second is to provide real-time location sharing features to assist emergency contacts in locating the user during emergency. Continuous GPS streaming and a live web tracker ensure contacts know exactly where the user is, down to the second. And lastly is to enable minimal input safety activation through automation and seamless access via optimized interface. So automation covers notification, session management, and error handling, so the user doesn't have to think beyond that one tap or shake. SafeGuard are built based on these 4 modules. The first one is Emergency Activation Module, which handles how the user actually triggers an SOS. It includes gesture detection, panic button, and optional siren. When either the shake or button input fires, it activates the location tracking module to start gathering GPS data. Once activated, the location tracking module pulls the device location at regular intervals and writes each new coordinate to Firestore. If the user is viewing the map in-app, it updates there as well. So it then sends those location updates on the communication module so contacts can get a live view. Communication module takes the stream location data and turns it into alerts. It consists of email alerts, SMS alerts, and tracking link generator, which builds a unique URL so contacts can follow the user on a web map. It pulls contact details from the profile and contact management module. The last module, which is the user profile and contact management module, maintains all user-specific data, which are emergency contact list, user profile, and preferences and settings stored. It provides preferences back to activation module and supplies the communication module with contact info when sending alerts. So by separating concerns this way, each module has a clear responsibility, making the system easier to test, maintain, and extend. In an emergency scenario, SafeGuard serves 2 distinct audiences with tailored interfaces. It provides full control to the person in need while offering a simple on-demand view for their trusted contacts. These are primary user app for activation, setting, and live view of your own SOS session, and also the emergency contacts web map, which is a secure, read-only live map access for a one-click link. Contacts never need to install anything. They just click the link and watch your movement updates in near real time. First, let's step into the primary user's point of view. Firstly, users need to register. They can choose profile picture, need to fill in their full name, phone number, and email address. They also need to set their password. So for the password, system will check if the password is 6 to 20 characters with uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol. For the confirm password, the bottom password needs to be exactly the same as the top password. Then use it to verify their email. After successfully verifying the email, user can log in into the system. Now users are in the home page, so to use the SafeGuard, user need to on their location first. Then user can see the map integration in the home page. Now let's move to the emergency contact. User can add contacts. User need to fill in the emergency contact name, phone number, email, and they can choose avatar. So for all the updates in the emergency contact will be synced across the system immediately. The emergency contact have limit for 5 contacts only per user. User also can delete contact and user can update contact. So all the changes in the emergency contact will be updated immediately. Next, let's look into the settings page. User can edit their profile. They can change their name, maybe a shorter name, or change their avatar, profile picture, maybe email, and all the updates will be synced across the system. User can also enable the shake features and set the siren setting. Those are the preloaded alarm sound in the system. User also can set the notification preferences. Now let's check all the changes that we update. As you can see, it displays the email because we choose to use email. Now let's check the sound. Okay, now let's share our location to our emergency contact. First, we will do manually. So we need to allow the permission for the location first. And then it will processing the sharing. So as you can see, the emergency contact got the email with the user current location and Google Map of the current location, and also the tracking link for the live view map. So when the user try to activate another SOS alert, it will show an error message until the user stop the sharing session. Okay, now let us test the shake features. So you can do the shake features in your home page. Doesn't necessarily you need to open the apps first. So here I'm shaking the phone just now and it will show the notification, and then the system will process the sharing. So the emergency contact get the SMS. So this is the SMS version, and it also get the email because SMS limit the sharing of link. So we need to also use email when user share it with SMS too. So as you can see, the shake features does not necessarily limit to one emergency contact list only. It will send to all the emergency contact lists in the system. So as you can see just now, I also got the email because I put my email there. Now let us test the widget features. So user can add the widget of SafeGuard in their home screen, but they need to activate an SOS alert first so that panic widget can be tapped.
This restriction is to avoid false alarm or user accidentally tap the panic widget button. Now lastly, we will look at the log page. In this page, user can see their past SOS activation, and when they click on it, they will be redirected to the Google Maps, which is their last location for the session. And that is all for the primary user POV. Okay, now let us look into the emergency contact POV. So for the emergency contact, they will be shown this map, which will be updated with the location of users up to seconds. So as you can see, it is live tracking, and when user stop the sharing, it will show the message that the live tracking is stopped at what time, and the emergency contact can view the last location of the user.
Now, the core benefit that SafeGuard brings to the users. First is immediate help at your fingertips. With just one tap or a simple sheet, SafeGuard instantly raises the alarm, so help is never more than a moment away. Second is real-time location sharing. Your exact GPS position updates every few seconds, giving responders an up-to-the-moment map of where you are. Third is automated notification. So the moment an SOS is triggered, SafeGuard handles the alert process end-to-end, no manual steps required. Fourth is multi-channel alerts. User can choose SMS or email. Emergency contact receive your alert through their preferred channel for maximum reliability. Fifth is the privacy and control. User decide when background tracking starts and stops, and all data is scoped to a single session that you can end at any time. Lastly is user-friendly setup and customization. So from sign up to profile and contact management, the app guides you step by step and lets you tailor settings like notification method, sheet sensitivity, and siren tone. Beyond its core safety features, SafeGuard presents three clear avenues for growth and revenue. First is hardware and IoT extension. Partner with smartwatch and wearable makers to bundle SafeGuard as a face complication or one-tap panic button, which letting users trigger SOS without pulling out their phone. Second is corporate and institutional partnership. Offer white label deployments to school, universities, and senior care facilities. Compete with custom branding and integration into campus card system or wearable pendants to protect students and residents. And lastly is advertising and affiliate revenue. We can monetize via tasteful in-app banners and native safety-related ads on dashboards and earn commissions by embedding affiliate links to personal security products recommended within the app. In summary, SafeGuard delivers a comprehensive end-to-end emergency alert platform that blends real-time location tracking, multi-channel notifications, and user-centric design into a single, seamless experience. Ultimately, our goal is to empower users and their loved ones with peace of mind, knowing that help is always just a shake, a tap, or a click away. My name is Jusno Maria binti Muhammad, and thank you for watching.